Now, on 60-second booze reviews, Lyme Bay Tournament Mead. So, for those of you who don't know, we've got Lyme Bay's Tournament Mead here. Lyme Bay is a small little winery based in Devon in South England. It's a really interesting little company. They produce some grapefruit wines and meads. This one we've got here is their Tournament Mead. It's very similar to their traditional mead in terms of flavour. It's a sack mead on the sweeter style. It's got the inclusion of ginger in this one, and that's kind of where the idea of tournament comes from, something that knights would have had before a tournament, a jousting tournament, something that would kind of rile them up and get them going, which was some kind of spiked mead. The ginger in this is really nice, really subtle. It's not overly spicy, it's kind of interesting, light. I think this product's got a bit more of a palate than their traditional. I think it's a bit more well-rounded and full-bodied, and a bit kind of, in my opinion, a bit nicer. It's at 11%, so a little bit lower ABV as well, so I think it's, for me, it's a better mead to sit and have a couple of glasses on.